English Dialogue Studio.
Daily English conversations for learners.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Dialogue Studio. I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel. We're so happy you're here with us again today.
Today's topic is central to so many jobs.
Yes, today we're talking about projects.
Whether you're in marketing, engineering, education, or any field,
Projects are how work gets done.
questions like,
What project are you working on?
how's the project going?
What's the timeline?
Who's on the project team?
After today, you'll be able to talk about projects with confidence.
Let's start with the basics.
What is a project?
A project is a specific task or set of tasks with a clear goal.
Projects have a beginning, middle, and end.
They usually have a deadline and a budget.
Projects can be small or huge, simple or complex.
Repeat. A project is a specific task or set of tasks with a clear goal.
Projects have a beginning, middle, and end.
They usually have a deadline and a budget.
Projects can be small or huge, simple or complex.
Now, let's have a conversation about projects.
Emma, what project are you working on right now?
I'm leading a website redesign project. It's been going on for months.
That sounds like a lot of work. How's it going?
Pretty well. We're in the final stages now. Great start. Now, let's talk about starting a project.
The beginning of a project is exciting.
We're kicking off a new project next week.
I'm excited to start this new project.
We had the project kickoff meeting today.
The project is just getting started.
We're in the planning phase right now.
Repeat. We're kicking off a new project next week. I'm excited to start this new project. We had the project kickoff meeting today. The project is just getting started. We're in the planning phase right now.
You can ask,
What new projects are you starting?
how did the kickoff go?
What phase are you in?
Are you excited about the new project?
Repeat. What new projects are you starting? How did the kickoff go? What phase are you in? Are you excited about the new project?
Let's practice talking about starting a project.
We're starting a new marketing campaign next month
Exciting! What's the goal?
to increase brand awareness in a new market.
Clear goals are key. Now, let's talk about project phases.
Projects go through different stages.
We're in the planning phase.
The research phase is almost complete.
We've moved into the design phase.
The development phase is taking longer than expected.
We're in the testing phase now.
The final phase is implementation.
Repeat. We're in the planning phase.
The research phase is almost complete.
We've moved into the design phase.
The development phase is taking longer than expected.
We're in the testing phase now.
The final phase is implementation.
You can ask,
What phase is the project in?
how far along are you?
What's the next phase?
Are you on track with each phase?
Repeat. What phase is the project in? How far along are you? What's the next phase? Are you on track with each phase?
Let's practice talking about phases.
We're almost done with the design phase. Next is development.
Sounds like good progress. When does development start?
Next Monday.
Clear timeline. Now, let's talk about project teams.
Projects usually involve multiple people.
I'm the project lead.
She's the project manager.
We have a team of 5 working on this.
I'm collaborating with the marketing team.
We have stakeholders from different departments.
Repeat. I'm the project lead. She's the project manager. We have a team of 5 working on this. I'm collaborating with the marketing team. We have stakeholders from different departments.
You can ask, who's on the project team? What's your role in the project?
Are you working alone or with a team?
Who are the stakeholders?
Repeat. Who's on the project team? What's your role in the project? Are you working alone or with a team? Who are the stakeholders?
Let's practice talking about teams.
I'm leading the project, but I have a great team.
That's ideal. How many?
4 plus me. We work really well together.
A good team makes all the difference. Now let's talk about project timelines and deadlines.
Time is always a factor.
We have a tight deadline.
The project is due at the end of the month.
We're on track to meet the deadline.
We're running a bit behind schedule.
We had to push the deadline back.
Repeat. We have a tight deadline. The project is due at the end of the month. We're on track to meet the deadline. We're running a bit behind schedule. We had to push the deadline back.
You can ask, what's the timeline? When is the deadline? Are you on track? Have you had to adjust the timeline?
Repeat. What's the timeline? When is the deadline? Are you on track? Have you had to adjust the timeline?
Let's practice talking about timelines.
The deadline is next Friday. We're a bit behind, but I think we'll make it.
Fingers crossed. Need any help?
Thanks, I might take you up on that.
Teamwork saves deadlines. Now let's talk about project challenges.
Not everything goes smoothly.
We've hit a few roadblocks.
The budget was cut, so we had to scale back.
We lost a team member, which slowed us down.
The client changed their requirements.
We're dealing with some unexpected issues.
Repeat. We've hit a few roadblocks. The budget was cut, so we had to scale back. We lost a team member, which slowed us down. The client changed their requirements. We're dealing with some unexpected issues.
You can ask, have you faced any challenges? What's been the hardest part? How are you handling the obstacles? Has anything gone wrong?
Repeat. Have you faced any challenges? What's been the hardest part? How are you handling the obstacles? Has anything gone wrong?
Let's practice talking about challenges.
We had to redesign everything because the client changed their mind.
That's frustrating. How much extra time will it take?
About a week, we'll manage.
Flexibility is key. Now let's talk about project success.
Finishing a project feels great.
We finally finished the project.
The project was a success.
We delivered on time and under budget.
The client loved the final result.
I'm so proud of what we accomplished.
Repeat. We finally finished the project. The project was a success. We delivered on time and under budget. The client loved the final result. I'm so proud of what we accomplished.
You can ask, did the project go well? Was it successful? How did the client react? Are you happy with the outcome?
Repeat. Did the project go well? Was it successful? How did the client react? Are you happy with the outcome?
Let's practice talking about success.
We just wrapped up the project. It went better than expected.
Congratulations! That must feel amazing.
It does. Time to celebrate.
Celebrate the wins. Now let's talk about lessons learned from projects.
Every project teaches you something.
I learned a lot from this project.
Next time, I'll communicate more clearly.
We should have started earlier.
I've learned to manage my time better.
This project taught me to be more flexible.
Repeat. I learned a lot from this project. Next time, I'll communicate more clearly. We should have started earlier. I've learned to manage my time better. This project taught me to be more flexible.
You can ask, what did you learn from this project? What would you do differently next time? What lessons will you take away? Did anything surprise you?
Repeat. What did you learn from this project? What would you do differently next time? What lessons will you take away? Did anything surprise you?
Let's practice talking about lessons learned.
I learned that I need to delegate more. I tried to do too much myself.
That's a valuable lesson. Will you change your approach next time?
Definitely. Trust the team more.
Every project is a learning opportunity. Now let's learn some important vocabulary for talking about projects. This time, we'll put each word in a sentence to help you remember.
Project. A planned piece of work. I'm working on a new project.
Task. A piece of work to be done. I have several tasks to complete.
Milestone. An important point in a project. We've reached a key milestone.
Deadline. When something must be finished. The deadline is next Friday.
Timeline. A schedule of events. Let's review the project timeline.
Phase. A stage of a project. We're in the final phase.
Deliverable. Something you must produce. The main deliverable is the report.
Stakeholder. Someone with an interest. We need to update the stakeholders.
Client. The person or company you're working for. The client approved the design.
Budget. The money available. We're staying within budget.
Resources. Things needed for the project. We need more resources.
Scope. The boundaries of the project. The scope keeps expanding.
Scope creep. When the project keeps growing. We need to manage scope creep.
Kickoff. The start of a project. The kickoff meeting is Monday.
Review. To examine progress. We have a project review tomorrow.
Status. Current situation. What's the status of the project?
Update. New information. I'll send an update by Friday.
Risk. Potential problem. We need to identify risks early.
Issue. A problem that has occurred. We're dealing with an issue.
Solution. A way to solve a problem. We found a solution.
Great vocabulary. These words will help you talk about projects.
Now, let's fix some common mistakes.
Mistake number 1. I work in a project.
Correct. I work on a project.
Mistake number 2. The project is on track.
This is correct. Good job.
Mistake number 3. We have deadline.
Correct. We have a deadline.
Mistake number 4. The project is in the final phase.
This is correct. Perfect.
Let's practice. I'm working on a new project.
The project is on track to meet the deadline.
We have a tight deadline next week.
We're in the final phase of the project.
Perfect.
Now, here are some idioms about projects and work.
To get the ball rolling. To start something. Let's get the ball rolling on this project.
To be on the same page. To agree or understand. We need to be on the same page.
To move the needle. To make progress. This new feature will really move the needle.
To be in the home stretch. To be near the end. We're in the home stretch now.
To go back to the drawing board. To start over. The client rejected it. Back to the drawing board.
Repeat. Get the ball rolling.
On the same page.
Move the needle.
In the home stretch.
Back to the drawing board.
Before we finish, let's review.
We learned what a project is.
A set of tasks with a clear goal.
We learned about starting projects.
Kickoffs, planning phases.
We learned about project phases.
Planning, research, design, development, testing.
We learned about project teams.
Roles, collaboration, stakeholders.
We learned about timelines and deadlines.
On track, behind schedule, pushing deadlines.
We learned about challenges.
Roadblocks, budget cuts, changes.
We learned about project success.
Finishing, celebrating, client satisfaction.
We learned about lessons learned.
What to do differently next time.
We learned important vocabulary with example sentences.
And we fixed some common mistakes.
That's everything you need for talking about projects.
Here's your challenge for today.
Think about a project you're working on or have worked on.
Describe it in 3 sentences.
I'm leading a website redesign project. We're in the final phase and on track to meet our deadline. The client has been really happy with our progress.
Perfect.
Practice saying it out loud.
Now go to the comments.
Tell us about a project you've worked on.
What was it? Was it successful?
For example, I worked on a marketing campaign for a new product. It was a huge success.
That's great.
Or, I had a project that went over budget. I learned a lot about planning.
Every project teaches something.
Share your project stories with us.
And if this episode helped you,
Please subscribe to English Dialogue Studio.
hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson.
We post new English conversations every day.
Next time, we'll talk about another everyday topic.
You'll have to come back to find out.
Until next time, keep practicing
Keep learning.
and keep speaking English.
Thanks for joining us at English Dialogue Studio.
Bye, everyone.
See you soon.